For 11 days, nĩgũkoretwo na ciũria cia NDIANG'UI athire kũ. NDIANG'UI nĩ blogger akorirwo agĩthondeka poster ya mũrũrũngano wa Gen Z wa 25th of June. Na poster-inĩ ĩyo nĩ kwarĩ na some parts harĩa ciarĩ na kahitirafu. This is according to the DCI boss ũrĩa arakorirwo akiuga mũthenya wa juzi.
NDIANG'UI Kinyangi was a person of interest to us. After publishing very inflammatory material in the social media, I'm sure you all saw about the timetable and so on and so forth, which was trending in the social media.
Na because of that, DCI marakora magĩbanga mũbango wa gwethana na NDIANG'UI, na marakora aikaraga kũrĩa kino marakora nyũmba yake, no kũringana na ũrĩa marauga matiamũkorire kuo. Makĩbunja nyũmba, makĩoya thimũ, kwĩna invoice ya indo icio ciothe moire. Thimũ igĩrĩ, I think a Tecno and an Infinix, 2 laptops, a list of some things there. No marauga atĩ matioire NDIANG'UI. Justice Chacha Mwita nĩ ararutĩte watho atĩ DCI boss Amin Mohamed mena Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja makorwo makĩrũgama bao-inĩ mũthenya wa Tuesday nĩgetha makorwo makĩcokia ciũria cia NDIANG'UI eko. That didn't happen today. Of course they didn't appear. I didn't expect them to appear because it is not the first time. Tiritari ya bere marero ma appear Igooti na maka ako appear. And so they didn't appear.
And I wanted the second petition. Live or dead.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's all I want.
Yes, that it is my...
They wanted the body, I said I want him.
Your Lordship, that it is found...
So we want him.
Yes. Yeah. So, Your Lordship...
when can we have him? Because someone is keeping him.
Your Lordship, that's a very difficult question posed to me. I cannot confirm on the date and time. I will only be asking for a bit of time so that they can engage my clients, Your Lordship. I cannot speak on their behalf that there is certainty within this period. The second petition that we found, Your Lordship. You can give us a bit of time.
How much time? I wanted that person, whether he's dead or alive. Whether he's dead or alive.
Na Igooti-inĩ gwakorwo na drama nyingĩ no ntuonire mwanake ũmwe harĩa akĩrũgama na kuga atĩ these lawyers are really lying into our eyes and in broad daylight. Ũhoro ũkorirwo na drama nyingĩ no kũrĩa magoti-inĩ.
Stop extrajudicial killings. We will not come here to listen to your stories. You have abducted someone. His family is crying and you are here telling us stories. Enough is enough. Extrajudicial killings and disappearances must end now. We must stop this madness. We must stop these evil things you are doing to us. It is not right to abduct someone and not present them to court. And you are here telling us stories about... Let me speak. I will sit down. This is not right. Why should they abduct someone and instead of producing them to court, they come here to start telling us stories about, I don't know, my client did this. Your client what? Then what are we supposed to do? If the people who are supposed to protect us have turned out to be the greatest threat to our security.
DCI boss mena IG matumire mawakiri na mawakiri makorwo makiuga ati whatever happened is that they don't have NDIANG'UI in their position. They only took those things from his house. Ni horo ukoretwo wina tension mwenene muno. Kuria magoti-inĩ ntuonire Babu Owino, Martha Karua, a very big team of councils making'ang'anĩra bũrũri wa Kenya. Na hakinya handũ nginya Justice Chacha Mwita akorwo akiuga ati it's time we end the dramas and bring NDIANG'UI akiwa uhai ama amekufa.
Tell your clients, yes. And these people, I'm also speaking to these people. Yes. There is no way a Kenyan will get out of his abode and vanish from this world without trace. It's not humanly possible.
That's correct, Your Lordship.
So let's stop doing drama and stick to what the Constitution speaks to.
Yes.
We may not like it. We gave it to ourselves. Those are the words. And the future generation. So when can we have this person? He may be hiding, I don't know. Yes? Because your people, clients are pursuing him. And he has to live like an animal.
when it gets to that point, you know it's about to go down. All in all, Justice Chacha Mwita ni akorirwo akiheana watho ati tariki 3 July DCI boss Amin Mohamed na Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja makoro makirehe igoti-ini in person nigetha makoro magicokia ciuria cia where is NDIANG'UI, tondu clearly karogona kou maraheana kuringana na Justice Chacha Mwita ni drama na side shows. Uyu ni mundu wa, I think, the third person gukorwo akiura within a period of a very short time. Now it is funny how this is happening when there is already tension. Inaacha mtu na maswali za, are they not seeing? Kwani hawaoni? Anyway guys, ndio maoni makumegi uhoro yo. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
When can I have this person in court?
Your Lordship, should I be given 7 days to get my plan? And Your Lordship, he can't be found even before the lapse of 7 days.
He has been missing since 21st. So today is 10 days. Yeah?
Your Lordship,
All we want is this Kenyan.
Your Lordship, the moment
Where is he? Nothing more. We are not interested in drama. We are not interested in anything. There is a human being missing. So where is he? Is he alive or dead? Just that. The response now is on me. They are looking upon this court to get this person alive or dead. And we all have a responsibility.
And Your Lordship have confirmed, and I wish to...
You know, I've read the pleadings, Mr. Mao. Let's not go there. I've read the pleadings. Yes. We take your story with the forcefulness it deserves. We take their story. We balance the two.
Correct, Your Lordship.
I didn't watch the video these people wanted me to watch, so I don't know what was said in that press conference. But let me make my few remarks here.